Hey everyone, I just wanted to jump on here and show you these natural wood chips that I got. So these are pine wood. These are super cute. These are great for the holidays, great for arts and crafts. So you can see one here. So you can see the natural detail. They are sanded smooth, but I love the fact that you can still see and you get the detail of the bark, which adds just an extra, cuteness, creativity, to these. So this comes with, there also is a double-sided hole, so you can hang them, use them as tree ornaments. Your kids can color them, you can burn them, you can paint them. The possibilities, you can stamp them. So the possibilities are endless. So again, it comes with two different kind of ropes. So it comes with like a cotton rope, and then it comes with a hemp rope. So again, you can, decorate these how you want. You can add glitter, glue, sequins, all different kind of things. And then you can use the rope, you can hang them, you can decorate with them. So if you're looking for something super fun, super simple for you to be able to decorate during the holidays, or just something that your kids can use, this is definitely something that I would check out.